Hello, Flower Glamorous Cooking with Beverly family. Welcome to our channel. I have some awesome news for you today. Some good news, something that came out today on the YouTube channel and our analytics. And you need to stay around and learn more about this and how to apply it to your channel to make your channel grow. This new tool that came out today will just send your channel on off. If you take time to go in and to read it, to study it, to see the clicks that your channels are getting, or views, however you want to say it. But how much money are you making per 1,000 views? How much money are you making per 1,000 views? We focus on the CPM, which is good, very good, but it doesn't tell you the whole story. There's more to the story, and it came out today. CPM is the amount of money that brands pay to appear in front of your audience in your videos. That's what your CPM is. It doesn't include revenues paid by playbacks or your stickers or your the location that someone is in, the super chat, the channel, the money that they get for the back paying when they play your video over and over. It doesn't show in the CPM. CPM, as I said, stands for cost per meal or cost per 1,000 views. The metrics that we want to see is RPM, which came out today. Today, July the 9th. It came out today. This is revenue per 1,000 meal. This is your revenue per 1,000 meal. So this one, the RPM, will show you how much you really earn per 1,000. It takes in the stickers, the super chat, your YouTube premium revenue, the ads, all the extras that your CPM does not take in. This is a good tool. We all need to use it. You need to study it. You need to study it on each and every one of your videos to see what their RPM is and what their CPM is and your audience retention. Put all three of those together and you're on your way. But it doesn't take overnight, because you know the lesson and you're expecting the blessing. The blessing may come slowly, but it will come. And you have to be patient, be able to wait. Don't get too anxious, because I do it myself. When you put up a video, you think you're supposed to boom right then, but it does not at all times. Some does, but majority of the time it doesn't. And the CPM, it doesn't include your merch, like your t-shirts and things that you sell, your brand deals. It doesn't include those kind of things. So, and your RPM does not show that either. So we're gonna learn where to find your RPM at and how to study it. The CPM is very important. It shows you how valuable your content is to the advertisers. It's that important for your CPM. It shows those advertisers what you are worth. The higher your CPM will indicate, the higher your CPM indicates to the advertisers who will spend money to reach their target audience through you. Now in our analytics, we're gonna go to your analytics. And our analytics, we can get the amount that we are interested in. get your laptop or your home desk computer and go to YouTube Creators Studio. Go to your Creator Studio. I have a picture of it here. Okay, click on that. And once you back in the studio, on the left, go down to Analytics. Click on Analytics. That's on the left-hand side bar. Then when you get to Analytics, look up to the top and you will see Revenue. Click on the Revenue tab. And when you click on the Revenue tab, you will see your RPM right there. That's the RPM for your whole channel. That's for your whole channel, that for all your videos. Okay, if you want to know what your RPM for the individual videos, all you got to do is go back to the left and hit videos. Okay, when you hit videos, pick one of your videos and go, you see that little box there, the picture of the analytics? Click analytics. Okay, when you click the analytics, you'll go and it'll show you the analytics, the rate you'll get paid for that video. And at the top, you see revenue. Click on that revenue. And it will show you your RPM for that specific video. You need to go through all your videos and check them out and see what your RPM is for each one of your videos. Once you go through that, then you see your RPM that are higher, the videos that have your higher RPM. Those kinds of videos are the ones that you need to focus on to make videos. Those kinds of videos pays more money. That's what you want to get into, the video that the RPM is higher. And you got a little bit of it with the CPM, but this RPM is showing you more in fuller detail, and it can help you. I was amazed when I went through my videos to see the ones that paid higher for my RPM. So once you have found out what your RPM is and the ones that pay higher for you, if you don't mind, give me a comment in the comment section and let me know the videos that pays higher on your RPM. You will really be surprised. I was surprised. I was really surprised. And I was surprised and not surprised, I guess. But now I know what I need to focus on more, where I need to put my videos, what I need to indulge in more. I'm not, Rome wasn't built in a day. And your channel is not going to pop all over YouTube in a day. But going this route will help you to be able to be recommended, to be boosted up, and to get views. And you will look up one day and you will have that viral video that you have been desiring and wanting to have. I hope this information has helped you and blessed you, and you will use it to grow your channel. Every Thursday, I will be doing videos on this line, so be looking for those on Thursday. I thank everyone who have come to my channel today. And for those who you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please leave a comment and thumbs up this video. The thumbs up is right below the video. You have a thumbs up and a thumbs down. Please do the thumbs up. And also share out the video, because sharing is caring. I want to leave this with you. You all are God's masterpiece. I love you, but God loves you more. Have a blessed and prosperous day.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing